The recommended daily intake of choline is 500 milligrams. One cup of chickpeas contains 70 milligrams. One date contains 10 milligrams. One cup of lentils contains 65 milligrams. One orange contains 16 milligrams. One cup of walnuts contains 68 milligrams. One 100 grams of amaranth contains 69 milligrams. 100 grams of pumpkin seeds contains 16 milligrams. 100 grams of pine nuts contains 55 milligrams. 100 grams of pistachios contains 71 milligrams. 1 cup of mushrooms contains 116 milligrams. 100 grams of potato contains 11 milligrams. 100 grams of spinach contains 19 milligrams. 100 grams of flax seeds contains 78 milligrams. 100 grams of mung beans contains 203 milligrams. 100 grams of amaranth contains 69 milligrams.